It's really exciting for Tucson, exciting for our region, because it really brings our airport and our airfield up to the next level. The Airfield Safety Enhancement Project is a modernization project for our airfield. Our airfield is safe, however, standards have changed, so we need to modernize the airfield to be up to the new safety standards.
The main focus of the project is essentially converting the general aviation runway to a full-length commercial runway and building some taxiway infrastructure around it. Well, we started talking about doing something in about 2008 or 9.
I would say that we were one of the first airports to get into a real safety study to analyze what was happening and come up with solutions to fix it.
So this concept right here, where if you can see it, the yellow is the new runway configuration and taxiway. We will build a new commercial runway here that's a little bit offset of the existing GA, as well as be full length, so the ends of the runways are going to be same, and that's really a key for the safety and standards improvement that we want to make.
Efficiency on an airfield is really important because airlines and operators look at how fast can we get in and get out, and what are the complications. That's all factored into so many decisions that airlines make when they're looking at what is the cost of operating and how long will it take for me to get in and out. And right now we're a very efficient airport, and this will just help us with that, especially with the redundancy.
It's now about a $300 million program. It is by far the biggest single program the Tucson Airport Authority has done in its history, and it's going to be a multi-year construction project in order, because we obviously have to maintain current operations and keep it in a safe construction environment and a safe operational environment. If you shut the whole thing down, you can build it a lot quicker, but then the whole thing's shut down. Or do you shift people back and forth, constantly moving them around, which then it just drags out the entire construction project. And there's a sweet spot you're always trying to find on that. We've broken it down into 4 projects within the program, so 4 different design teams, 4 different construction teams will ultimately build the entire program.
When you have a group of maybe 40 to 50 stakeholders come together and actually agree on an outcome, you really have a successful project. It really does have a benefit that's more regional, because when we're improving our facilities, our infrastructure, our operation, it has a multiplier effect. We have jobs that are created. We have maybe businesses decide they want to relocate here or expand here. I'm very anxious for the actual construction to begin, because that means we're one step closer to being even more safe than we are today.
10 years in the making. We've hopefully got about 5 more years until we're completely done. This is a point to thank everybody that's been involved in the process so far, as we kind of pause and celebrate this significant milestone, and looking forward to having everybody back in a few, hopefully in about 4 or 5 years to do the ribbon cutting.